This lock is a number 41. It's an Abbas Lock Company, Germany, 40 millimeter. I've got 6 of them. They all come in these weatherproof cases. Guy made me a bet. He said it had so many mushrooms and spools in there that I couldn't serrated pins. That no way could I pick this lock. And he said if I could pick it, that he'd give me all 6. So if you notice, I have all 6 locks, as I was able to pick it. Not without a lot of difficulty, though. It's a strange lock, and you pick it one way, then you go to repeat what you did, and it doesn't work the second time because the high security changes the pins around all the time. So I'm using this Camel pick, good starter. Various different picks work at different times, so I just go through my pile of picks. The half diamonds work several times. My Bogota likes to do the coup de grace, the final touches, several times. My snake rake has opened it. It gives false sets. The tension wrench will move, get my hopes up, and then I'll stop. It won't go very far. So much for the Camel pick. Now I use the half diamond. It's worked on a number of occasions. I'll go to the Bogota. That seems to be the good finishing touches. That you get them mostly set with all the other picks. And the Bogota comes in to finish up the business. This is a snowman, which I've ground off half of it, so it's half a snowman. Here's an offset diamond. Yeah. Here's the S rake, or the snake rake. I think it wants to finish up with the Bogota. Where's the old Bogota at? Bogota. There she goes. Well, this is easy. If I pick the unpickable lock, got 6 free locks. Peace. Don't break the lock.